Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is October 6th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is down $2.68. That's 1.11%, closed at 238.13. Post-market, we are down by 53 cents. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. I'm laughing a little bit because we are still above our support line. Look at this line right here. The body of the candle is right there on it. This is holding so far. Let's go see on the 1 hour chart how the day went. Yesterday we had lost 242. We tried to gain it back yesterday and we failed. We tried to gain it back today. We went and crossed it, but we had to close right back into it on that hour candle, and then we came down. And look at how very close we are on our support. We touched it perfectly for the low at 11:30 and also at 12:30. And now we are heading back to it. Stochastic on the 1 hour chart is still at 20. There's not enough force in that stock to break 242, but we are not going lower than I would say 238. So basically what I think is happening, but we should not base our decisions, our buying and selling decisions on that. But it's just nice to speculate. It's a little bit like gossiping. Basically, we have the October 19th earnings call. That is a few weeks away. And I think people are starting to realize that Tesla is going to have great numbers right here. So I think that the stock does not want to come down too much. I might be wrong. But maybe people don't want the stock to get too much down because they know that Tesla is just killing it in terms of deliveries and everything. Yes, there's $20,000 cars less that were delivered than produced, blah, blah, blah. I don't think it matters. 20,000 cars is nothing. And also Elon had mentioned that he is going to stop putting pressure on his employees to make sure that they are rushing like crazy towards the end of the quarter, even at the expense of paying more to ship those cars. So he said he wanted to stop doing that, so I think that he did. Maybe this is what is explaining that 20,000 cars less that were delivered. I don't think it reflects any systemic issue for Tesla. But we don't control people's psychology. This can still fall back down. The thing I am watching right now is, are we going to stay above this support right here? If we don't stay above that support, to me, that's a short at this point. And then the next support is at 205. If we stay up, then the next buying signal is when we are breaking this downward resistance if we have a good stochastic. If stochastic is not there, but Tesla still breaks this downward resistance, it's going to be a fluke and the stock will do something like this before trying again with a good stochastic, and that will in fact make a W. Maybe in the end we are going to be able to get back in at 255. At the second move with a good stochastic would be the trend following way with technical analysis to do this. If you want to chance it, and risk a little bit more, then you can buy right now because we could be bouncing. And if we bounce and the stock does what I said, you would have gotten in at a very good price at 238. So you decide what you want to do. It's none of my business. In terms of stochastic, we are at 6 on the daily chart. Still very weak. In terms of the risk of buying right now, the risk is a little bit higher because stochastic is so low. RSI is also very close to the oversold area in which it can stay for some time. And everything else is not very good to look at. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.